Investment Policy Committee is comprised of 5 members. The chairman of our firm, of course, Ken Fisher, Jeff Silk, Aaron Anderson, Bill Glaser, and myself, Michael Hanson. I think the Investment Policy Committee is very unique relative to the rest of the industry for a variety of ways. One of the things that I think is so important to Ken in starting the private client group now some many years ago was that how can we give our clients access to world-class money management, but in a competitive way and in a way that's truly appropriate for our customer. We have a 5-member group that is solely focused on portfolios and what's in our client mandates. What we don't focus on is things like sales, administrative duties, and even to some extent service, although we're out speaking to our clients very frequently. Our sole responsibility is the portfolios, and we've specialized the rest of the tasks of this business to others. And that alone, I think, is very unique because in most circumstances in this industry, most advisors have to do the selling, the service, and the trading and strategy all at once, which we simply don't view as optimal. We have an entire research staff that assists us in every facet of the process. And so we have an entire group which we refer to as our Capital Markets Innovation Group, which is dedicated to statistical analysis and doing empirical work across the world to help us develop ideas and themes, but in a very rigorous way. We have a securities team that assists us in stock selection all the way on through from creating and looking at stock ideas to actually monitoring over time and making sure that the reasons that we originally owned a stock remain consistent. And lastly, we have a capital markets group, which is sort of our macro analysis, and they assist us with fundamental views about how the world works today and help us generate investing themes. What unifies us is that we have very similar outlooks on the world and a similar investing philosophy. We don't always agree with each other, but that's part of the process of the committee, is to work out what we think the best step is moving forward, and what unifies us is a philosophy about how the world might work.